All right, we're using FIFO periodic here. During the current year, ABC Corp uses the periodic inventory system and the FIFO method to value its inventory. Looks like ABC Corp makes 3 purchases during the year. Purchase 1, 3,000 units at $3.25, 2,500 units for $3 for purchase 2, and purchase 3 was 3,200 units for $3.50. ABC Corp sold 4,000 units in its current year. Let's determine the cost of goods sold for ABC Corp in the current year. So first and foremost, what I want you guys to write down is under FIFO, we are going to get the same ending cost of goods sold and ending inventory for both the periodic method and the perpetual method. So again, that's just going to be for FIFO only. LIFO, we're going to have different ending balances for our cost of goods sold and our ending inventory under LIFO. So only this is applicable to FIFO. All right, enough about that. And let's now determine how we're actually going to solve this thing. So first and foremost, what are we solving? We are going to be determining cost of goods sold. So generally for either a FIFO or LIFO type question, they're either going to be asking you for cost of goods sold or the ending inventory balance. And just a hint, the cost of good available for sale, the total amount of our inventory value that is available to be sold, less the cost of goods sold is going to equal our ending inventory and vice versa. So if we have enough information to calculate our ending inventory and they're looking for the cost of goods sold, the available for sale less the ending inventory can back into our cost of goods sold. So what we need to first determine is what is our cost of good available for sale. So we'll take this purchase by purchase, 3,000 times 325, 2,500 times $3, and 3,200 times 3.5. So 9,750, 7,500, and 14,000. Those are going to be the cost of each of those purchases. So when we're using FIFO, the next thing we need to ask ourselves is how much are we selling? So we sold 4,000. We want to know what the cost is of those 4,000 units that were sold. So we're using FIFO. We're using the first in that are going to be the first out. So starting with purchase 1, we are going to have 3,000 units. We are selling 4,000 total. So we're going to max out our 3,000 units at $3.25. So our cost of goods sold of these units from purchase 1, $37.50. We're selling all of them. So we have 1,000 remaining, right? So we sold 4,000, or we're selling 4,000. We sold 3,000. We have 1,000 left. So 1,000 is going to be coming from our next purchase because this is the first in, first out. Purchase 1, then purchase 2. So 1,000 from the 2,500 units at $3. We're selling 1,000 at $3. Next cost of goods sold amount is going to be 3,000. Simple enough. We now have eliminated all of our units sold. We have 1,500 left over and we have the entire 3,200 from the third purchase, but that doesn't matter because they're asking us for the cost of goods sold. So our cost of goods sold, we can now calculate 9,750 plus 3,000, basic math, 12,750.